Let's shift our focus now to Maharashtra. The Bombay High Court has dismissed a petition by 9 female students from NJ Acharya and DK Marte College in Mumbai, challenging the college dress code prohibiting hijab, niqab, burqa, stoles, caps and badges on campus. In fact, the college argued that the ban aims to prevent the display of religious symbols except those protected for fundamental rights, such as the Sikh turban. Representing the petitioners, Advocate Altaf Khan contended that the dress code was imposed without legal authority and violated the students' rights to choice and autonomy. The petitioners claimed that the dress code infringed on their fundamental rights to privacy, dignity, and religious freedom. In fact, they also noted that the policy was communicated by an undated notice on the college website and WhatsApp. The court upheld the college stance that the policy was a general disciplinary measure, not targeting the Muslim community. Now the petitioners are planning to approach the Supreme Court for relief.
नहीं, ऐसे नहीं कर सकते ना हम लोगों के लिए हिजाब कोई छोटी बात नहीं है। ये लोग जबरदस्ती कर रहे हैं। ये लोगों ने क्या किया कि जब भी जितने भी हम लोग मुस्लिम गर्ल्स थे उन लोगों को बुलाया और बोला कि हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते बेटा, आपको ड्रेस कोड फॉलो करना ही पड़ेगा। लेकिन हम लोगों ने बोला कि ये कोई छोटी बात तो है नहीं, सिर्फ ड्रेस कोड, खाली हम लोगों को बोला जा रहा है कि ड्रेस कोड फॉलो।
जब ऑफिस जाएंगे तब हम लोग अपने आप को उस हिसाब से ढाल लेंगे या फिर फ्रीलांसिंग करेंगे, घर बैठ के काम करेंगे। लेकिन अभी से ये रूल क्यों निकाला जा रहा है?
While we understand that this is a sort of setback to the students, what is the next course of action?
See, after the dismissal of the petition by Honorable Bombay High Court, we have met students, we have discussed it, but because the entire judgment copy has not come, but they are firm enough that they are going to challenge it before the Honorable Supreme Court of India. Finally, we came before the Honorable Bombay High Court, we filed writ petition and it was heard on 19th of June 2024. Today was the verdict and Honorable Bombay High Court dismissed the petition, and we have primarily discussed with the students. They are firm enough that after the entire judgment copy comes, they are going to take it to exception. They are going to challenge it before the Honorable Supreme Court of India.
We see that this has been a kind of setback to you. What is your next course of action?
We will decide. I'll talk to parents of the students and I'll talk to the advocate. Whatever the means given in the constitution, definitely we'll go for it, and we'll decide after having the order copy in our hand.
Right.
On what ground the honorable court has dismissed the petition. So definitely we'll move to the apex court.
Right. One more thing I would like to understand: what were the locus of the students here?
Students are studying in the college. Directly they have locus standi about their petition, and we all are the supporters of the students.
देखिए, चॉइस कॉलेज के अंदर ही क्यों उन्होंने अपना जताना है। ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा 5 घंटे एक दिन में 24 घंटों में से अगर उनको हमारा ड्रेस कोड कॉलेज के अंदर अगर वो उनको मतलब कि मानना पड़े तो उसमें हर्जी क्या है। 5 घंटे के बाद जो चाहे वो आज़ादी कॉलेज के बाहर लेने के लिए उनको फ्रीडम है। देखिए, हम लोग ने ये बोला है कोई भी रिलीजन, कोई भी कल्चरल डिस्पैरिटी, ये दोनों भी नहीं चाहिए। आप कॉलेज के बाहर पूरे आप फ्री है, और ऐसा हम लोग ने कुछ नहीं बोला है कि सोमवार को पीला डालो और मंगलवार को नीला डालो, उसमें भी फ्रीडम दिया हुआ है। ये बोला हुआ है कि सभ्य और डिसेंट और दैट इज फॉर्मल।
It's a shame. I mean, in the 21st century, if you think that burqa will make a change in how they study and their education, then they should really grow up. This kind of behavior should not be acceptable, and the High Court should definitely take some action.
How do you see this?
I think it's the same because I think it would make the students uncomfortable and not make them want to come to college and study. And wearing burqas and ridha is a choice and not a force.
No, it will not. क्योंकि मतलब बहुत सी कॉलेजेस में ऐसा नहीं है, कोई कॉलेजेस में हो रहा है, सो दे शुड नॉट डू दिस।
Firstly, this is not right at all because we feel safe by wearing this. Okay, so why some of the colleges have these rules regarding do not wear and come in class? It's totally not right.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.